Hello listeners, hello video viewers, welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 6 is farm animals. In this lesson, we will look at male, female, and young animals on a farm. The main and common name of this animal is chicken, rooster, hen, chick, rooster, hen, chick. The animal common name is goat, billy goat, nanny goat, kid, billy goat, nanny goat, kid. The animal common name is sheep, ram, ewe, lamb, ram, ewe, lamb. The animal common name is cattle, bull, cow, calf, bull, cow, calf. The animal common name is duck, drake, dog, duckling, drake, duck, duckling. The animal common name is turkey, gobbler, hen, chick, gobbler, hen, chick. The animal common name is goose, gander, goose, gosling, gander, goose, gosling. The animal common name is horse, stallion, mare, foal, stallion, mare, foal. The animal common name is pig, boar, sow, piglet, boar, sow, piglet. The animal common name is rabbit, buck, doe, bunny, buck, doe, bunny. The animal common name is donkey, jack, jenny, foal, jack, jenny, foal. Thank you for watching, bye for now and see you next lesson.